What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel on a Monday. Today's January 15th, 2018, MLK Day. No shipping today, stuff was closed, so you guys should have had a pretty easy work day for the most part. Probably did some sourcing or some listing. If you can't hear, have been home. There was no video yesterday, you didn't miss anything. I had no voice, so I watched football, we had dinner, and no video. So I'm gonna do two for you guys tonight. This is your first one. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the sales. We had an awesome sales week, and then everything crashed yesterday. There were no sales yesterday. And I don't mean no sales, I mean like not enough to really talk about. So that really sucked. And I know of several people who sell 5 to 10 items a day who sold 0. My normal 15 to 20, 20 plus, 6 items yesterday, so really bad sales day. But let me show you what we did sell the rest of the week. That was really good sales week. And then the second video that's gonna follow this is about the sales tax that I talked to you guys about in a video a few days ago. The Supreme Court has actually agreed to hear the sales tax law for third parties like eBay and Amazon to collect sales tax directly for every single transaction. So make sure if you're a serious seller, a full-time seller, you stay tuned to that video, which is gonna follow this one in just a couple of hours. So let's take a look at what I sold, and then I'll see you again in the end of this video and in the next one. All right, here's one of the first items we sold, and again, excuse my voice. This was a Dale Earnhardt Sr. Good wrench sweater. I believe we paid $2 or $3 for this. I think it was like $3, and we ended up taking a best offer on this one for $22 or $21.50, so not a bad flip. Cole Haan Nike Air Women's High Heels sold for $21.75. These were $3 pair, which was an $18.75 profit after fees and shipping, around $12. Some Gap jeans, $15.75. We did pay $3 for these, so there was $12.75. They did have to ship 630 padded flat, which left $6.45, less the fees, only about $3 in profit. Nike men's windbreaker pants, we paid $1 for these, sold for $15, which was $14. Fees and shipping, about $8 profit on the windbreaker pants, not bad. Adidas Climate Cool, an older shirt we had. I had about $1.50 in this. It sold for $11.25. So that left $9.75 profit, less fees and shipping, about $5. But it is an older item, which you can tell because of our background pictures. Women's Nike Dry Fit shorts, $13.50. These were a $1.50 item, leaving $12 in profit, less the fees and shipping, about $8. This Tommy Bahama shirt, one that I just got, $16.50. I paid $2.50 for it, which was $14. Less fees and shipping, about $8 to $9 in profit. Marvel women's leggings. These were $2 purchase. This was $16.50 sale, which left $14.50, and fees and shipping around $10 profit on those. Pretty cool little leggings. This was a brand new Caribbean men's shirt, sunset shirt. We were able to sell it for $20 because it's brand new. It's just a basic t-shirt, but I paid $1 for this shirt. So that's $19, less fees and shipping, about $13, $14 in profit. One of the Donald Trump ties, one of the last ones that I have. This one sold at a best offer for $20. Paid a few dollars for it, leaving us after fees and shipping probably around like $14. Kuba Bear shirt, had this one for a little while, paid $2.50 for it, sold it best offer for $15, which left $12.50, less fees and shipping, about $8 in profit. Paid $3 for the White House Black Market jeans, which we took a best offer of $16 or $16.50 on. We were left after the fees and the shipping with about $8.50, $8 less what we paid. Made only about $4 or $5 on these. You got to try to get these jeans, man. $1, $2, $3 max, and hopefully get 20 or more out of them. Last one is going to be this Reebok NFL Minnesota Viking jersey, which I paid probably about $2 or $3 for. It was not in great condition. You can see it's not in the best condition. It is one of the lower end brands. It wasn't one of the vintage champions or any of that kind of high end stuff. And it is Brett Favre on the Vikings, which wasn't exactly the most popular Brett Favre pieces. It did sell for $13.50. I'm probably into it for a couple dollars again. 10 less fees and shipping, about a $5 profit on the Vikings jersey. I should have got some more for it, but I had it a while, which you can kind of tell, a little bit older photos, and not really sure why it didn't sell so good. But it's, I guess, probably because of it being the Vikings. and because of the condition and because of the size, all that good stuff. So there you go. That's a little bit of what sold for this week. We still did okay. We had those average sale price numbers. You can see majority of these items all over $15, you know, 13, 13, 15, 18, 20, 21, 20, 16, 18. So really trying to stay with as many pieces as I can in that $15 to $20 range, and as many, you know, sprinkled in with 20 and over as possible. That way, you know, all those low end ties that I sell for 7, 9, 8, 7, that way all those, you know, are going to give me an average sell price of $8, $9. But then when I sprinkle these 20s, these 18s, these 15s, it's hopefully going to give me an overall average right around $14 to $15. That's really the goal. And that way, you know, if I sell 20 items a day, we're sitting at a $300 a day, 9,000. Hopefully we can get it to 10,000 a month. And that's our target. So there you go, guys. That's a little bit of what sold from the week of January, week number 2, January 8th through the 15th, which is today. And obviously we had a really crappy day yesterday, or I would have had probably some more cool items to show you guys. I'm going to include today's sales Monday and next week's, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for checking it out. Give it a big thumbs up if it helps you learn some stuff to sell, to make some money on eBay, and stay tuned for the sales tax video, which will be up in about 2 hours. I'll see you guys then.